Hello, I'm an iPhone.
And I'm an Android phone. You know, we have a lot in common these days.
Yes, we both have cool looks and awesome features.
And they don't call us smartphones for nothing.
In this video, we're going to show you the similarities and differences between iOS and Android as it relates to the user interface, navigation, layout settings, and downloading an app.
Google's Android and Apple's iOS are operating systems used on tablets and smartphones, like us. We both have our own user interface and run our own apps.
And when you break it down, we do very similar things. For example, Apple Maps and Google Maps both provide directions.
Each platform provides its own app store where users can download third-party apps. Google Play Store for Android.
And the App Store for iOS.
Our interfaces also have a lot in common, like touchscreen navigation using gestures like swiping, tapping, and pinch and zoom.
And we both open to a home screen containing rows of apps which can be pinned for quick access or placed in folders and organized by the user.
We also both use widgets that display auto-updating information. Widgets for things like weather and calendars.
A status bar runs across the top on both platforms, offering information like the time, Wi-Fi status, cell signal, and battery life. In fact, the main difference when it comes to our interface is that Android's interface has more customization options.
Yeah, I like to keep my options open. My operating system also runs on many different devices, each with customizable features. This is why the user experience varies from device to device.
My iOS, on the other hand, has fewer devices and less customization options. Therefore, the user experience is almost identical across all Apple devices. I prefer to keep things simple and efficient.
Our device layout is also very similar.
We both have speakers on our front side and bottom side.
And I have an additional speaker on the back.
We both have two cameras, one on the front side and one on the back.
We both have a power port, headset jack, and microphones on the bottom. I have an extra microphone on the top.
And I have an extra microphone on the back.
We both have home buttons. I also happen to have a back button on the right and a recent button on the left. However, these buttons and their functions can vary from device to device.
We both give you access to notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen. This gives you a drop-down menu with the current notifications from apps and services on your device, such as downloads, emails, updates, and more. What's this? My notifications menu shows that I just got a new email. Why, thank you, Android. I love getting emails.
The Quick Settings feature is available on both of our platforms. My Quick Settings is accessed when you do a second swipe down from the top of the screen.
My Quick Settings are split up. While swiping down gives you the basic notifications, swiping up from the bottom gives you access to Quick Settings or the Control Center.
Both Quick Settings and the Control Center includes features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, and more.
We both have our main settings menus that can be accessed by tapping on the settings icon. This icon can be found on our home screen.
This is where you can adjust screen brightness, set a password, configure internet settings, and more.
You'll also find options for handling phone calls and broadband, as well as additional security features.
You know, installing an app on your phone is easier than you might think.
To install an app on your iPhone, follow these steps. Step 1. On the home screen, tap on the App Store icon. This will take you to Apple's App Store. Step 2. In the search box, type in the name of the app you want to install. Step 3. Tap on the Get button to the right of the app. Step 4. Tap on the Install button. Step 5. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password that you created when you set up your phone. Step 6. A pop-up window will appear with information about how the app interacts with your device. If you trust the application, tap on the Accept button and the app will install.
The process for downloading apps on an Android device is similar. Step 1. On the home screen, tap on the Google Play app icon. This will take you to the Google Play Store. Step 2. In the search box, type in the name of the app that you want to install. Step 3. Tap on the Install Continue button. Step 4. If prompted, enter your Google password. Step 5. A pop-up window appears with the information about how the app interacts with your device. If you trust the application, tap the Accept button and the app will install.
In conclusion, you can see that we have essentially the same features.
And we perform essentially the same tasks and functions.
However, some of our features and functions are found in different locations within your device. We hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching.
Hey iPhone, can I get your number?